You're not gonna pull one of Sissy's mistakes again, are you? Huh?
No, that's fine. That's fine. Look up there.
Are you checking holes in fences and stuff like that? Because you know Daddy's good at hiding stuff. Where are they? There's the culprit. You gonna close it back, or are you gonna leave it open?
You found one?
Did you find one?
All I need is 2 more.
Just to let you know, you're still warm. No? You're warm though. Lukewarm. Getting cold. Getting warmer. A little warmer. Getting warmer and warmer. Warmer, warmer, warmer. If you stop right there, you're almost at the hot part. Now you're hot. I don't think I'd do that to you. But you're hot. You're hot. Now you're lukewarm.
Hot.
Hot. Getting hot.
Oh, this one's heavy. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Was there 9?
Yeah, there's 9.
If there's 9, there's one more and I forgot. I don't even know where it's at.
Oh, Bill.
You think Daddy would use the same trick twice? Daddy's not. Daddy can't do hot and cold with you on this one. It's just out here somewhere.
Yeah, sure can.
I got 1, 2.
Did you find one in the grass out there?
Yeah, over here.
Somewhere in there, yeah.
Did you look in all the little bushes?
Yeah.
what's in the Easter eggs, Bryson? Do you know? Money? So how much money have you made so far? Do you know yet?
No,
Or you want to find?
the last one.
What's in that one?
A dime.
A dime?
No, a quarter.
A quarter? Don't you miss Savannah? Huh? Nah?
I get more stuff.
You get more stuff?
There it is.
Daddy's not gonna put it on the roof. Is it in the logs?
No, it's not.
Well, I guess there's just missing money in the backyard.